Okay, good morning everyone again. I'm really honored to be here and address this amazing audience in this amazing country. So today I'm going to focus on leadership mindset and personalized learning, truly future-oriented education that's personalized learning offers this opportunity. Personalizing learning platform offers every single child the education that honors their individuality, the education that they deserve. But this is actually the education that is their birthright. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Magdalena. Please give a round of applause once again, Ms. Magdalena Matulovic, President and Co-founder, Natural Board Leaders. Thank you so much.